Hello, welcome to InkyBay Product Customizers video. In this video, I'm going to show the dynamic gang sheet maker feature of InkyBay that can help those people who has DTF printing business, such as banner customization, sticker, or gang sheet customization business, where you can allow your customers to select the size, ratio, and then let them customize the product. Interesting, isn't it? So if you have these types of business, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Here you can see that on the product page, the customers can insert their preferable height and width, and the price will be changing accordingly. It will be changing as price per square inch. You can also set a minimum restriction for the width and height. Similarly, you can set a maximum restriction for the width and height. Here you can see that I cannot add a value less than 22 inch for the width, and for the height also I can not add a value less than 60 inch. Same goes for the maximum restriction. If you want, then you can also add an incremental factor. Here I have set the incremental factor of 2. After you have selected your size ratio, then if you click on the Customize It button, you will be redirected to the Design Lab, and there a product will be generated based on the size ratio that you have selected with the price. Here you can see the size ratio and the price that I have selected from my product page. Now you can customize this product. Also, you can let your customers choose the size units in 3 ways. They can select inch, centimeter, or feet. For this video, I'm only showing the inch unit. Now comes the preset option. You can also set some preset values for your product and let your customers select from those preset values. For example, if you don't want the customers to select their own custom sizes manually, then you can use this preset value option. Here you can see that I have set 3 preset values. You can also see that the price is changing with the size. Now, if I click on Customize It button, you can see that my banner image has been created with the size that I have selected. Next comes the fixed width option, where the width will be fixed and your customers can select the height of the product, like the way I am selecting it. And the price will also change according to per square inch. Then if I click Customize It button with this size ratio, you will see an image with this size ratio and along with the price on the Design Lab. Next comes the fixed height option, where the height will be fixed and the customers can select the width of the product. Here you can see that if I change the width, the price is changing and it's changing according to the price per square inch. Now after selecting the sizes, if you click on Customize It button, you can see that your product is generated with the size and price. So this is how our dynamic gang sheet maker feature will help you in your business. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you.